Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo, and on today's video, I will be showing you guys how to fund your Quotex account with Mpesa. So if you already have a Quotex account, that is good. Go ahead and log in to follow the process as I show you how it's done. If you don't have an account, there is a link on the description of this video. Click on it and create your new account in Quotex. Otherwise, just click on the deposit button. Click on the deposit button and under e-payments choose Momo Pay. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. For example, I'll do $20 for this tutorial. Click on the deposit button. Enter your payment details. For example, if you want to deposit with Mpesa, if you want to deposit with Airtel Money or Equitel, I'll choose Mpesa for this tutorial. Then enter your mobile number and click on pay. You will receive a prompt on your mobile. Go ahead and enter your Mpesa PIN to complete the process. Once that is done, wait for Momo Pay to redirect you back to Quotex and your account will be funded almost instantly. Now, if you refresh your account, you'll see that the amount has already been deposited onto that account. That is how easy it is to fund your Quotex account in Kenya. Use Momo Pay and you can use Equitel, Airtel Money, or M-Pesa. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.